Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon from Darwaza Private School, the land of education. So actually here at my podcast show, this like Darwaza Got Talent, today we have a very talented student who is very good at everything, and he was one of the top students in his classroom besides at running. And today I have an interview with him. You are very welcome, Muhammad. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
You are very welcome. So Muhammad, it's great to have you at the Darwaza podcast. Can you tell us a little about yourself?
Hi, I'm Mohammed. I'm a sixth grade student from Darwaza Private School. I love learning, especially math and science, and I really enjoy playing sports. My favorite sport is track and field because I love running and being active.
Actually, I noticed that, and that's why I got you here to my show. That's very, very interesting. Being one of the top students is very amazing. So what motivates you to stay top in your class?
I think my motivation comes from my love of learning, especially my family. They always support me, so that motivates me to work hard.
Wow. So you are really good at the track and field. How did you first get interested?
My school had a sports day, and I participated in a race. It was very hard for me, but it all paid off when I crossed the finish line and made me really happy.
I can see that, because we always say practice makes perfect. So what is your favorite event in the track and field?
My favorite event at track and field is probably going to be the 100-meter sprint, because I love how you have to push yourself to the maximum pace you have to do, and it may be challenging, but it feels really good to cross the finish line.
You look like a hard worker. So how do you balance between your schoolwork and your passion for track and field?
Since I love studying and I enjoy playing sports, I make sure that I study. After I come back from school, I study, then I go outside to practice a little bit of track and field, and I always try not to fall behind my schedule.
You are a study fan. Really, that's very great strategy. Can you tell us about the time when you faced a challenge, either, for example, in school or sports, and how did you overcome it?
Last year, I overcame a really hard, long math problem, but I didn't give up, because if you give up, it will all be gone. And I made sure that I would tell the teacher to help me, and I actually got it. At track and field, I participated in a race and I fell. Everyone was laughing at me, but I knew I could do it, so I ran very fast and crossed the finish line.
Believe me, I've got a lot of faith in you. So you seem to have a great attitude. What advice would you give to other students who want to be successful like you, of course?
I would tell them to, of course, not give up, because giving up, it means everything is gone, everything that you have gained. So probably my best answer would be not to give up.
It feels motivating. Even me, I feel like it's motivated. So you are from Kyrgyzstan. It's such a beautiful place. How has growing up there influenced you?
Kyrgyzstan is actually a lovely place, and I'm really proud to be from Kyrgyzstan. And trust me, even if there's like America, Germany to visit, but trust me, I would still stay at Kyrgyzstan because it's such a beautiful place.
To be honest, I'm the biggest fan of Kyrgyzstan. I've been here for like 5 years, I believe. Yeah, it's like being 5 years here, and it's like just like a warming atmosphere and stuff. I just like love it.
I'm just like you.
Thank you. Who do you look up to as a role model, and why?
I think the best answer would be my coach and my parents, because first of all, my coach, he always trains me to do stuff that I can and make sure that I don't give up. So that's why I would say my coach, and my parents, they support me, they have raised me, so that's why I would say those two answers are the best answers for me.
What are your goals for the future? Do you have any big dreams you're working towards?
Yeah, actually, I really want to be an athlete, but even if that's not what I want to be, I would feel like to be a doctor or engineer, and make sure that my family still supports me, so that keeps me motivated so I can chase my goals.
I believe in you. I believe in everything you're doing. You are welcome to my show. There was a podcast or there was a talent like here in my podcast. You are welcome, Muhammad, from grade 6, top student. See you. You're welcome.